Hey everyone, thanks for coming back to the N-Ext DIY channel. I'm Chris and I'm the content creator for SoCal Lawn and Order. In today's video, I have a special project that's going on and I want to thank Greene County Fertilizer for helping with the products for this project. So we're going to jump in the car and we're going to head to Fallbrook High School. And oh yeah, it's all about business today. And today I'm here at Fallbrook High School where we're going to be applying the bio stims to the girls softball field and also to the boys baseball field. I want to thank Greene County Fertilizer for donating the product for this project, and on behalf of Fallbrook High School, they appreciate it as well. I would like to thank Brad, Deidre, and Chris Elms and all the crew that are behind the scenes of the Greene County Fertilizer Company that we don't see. And a special thanks to John Perry for helping me out with this project as well. So we're gonna go over here, we're gonna mix up this biostim in their pump sprayer and we're gonna apply it here to the field, and I'll come back in about a week or two and show you the differences of the biostims applied to this field. So a little bit of history about the field. They've had several different crew members out here working on this field. They reached out to me to come take a look at their fields and kind of help them out, and I thought this would be a perfect opportunity for the N-Ext products and the biostimulant pack. Alright, so now we're doing the boys baseball field and we're doing the same thing. We're putting down the biostims. There hasn't been a whole lot of treatments or love for any one of these fields out here, and the crew that they have out here now is absolutely fabulous. They care and they're putting in work to make sure that the kids at this high school have decent fields to play on. So my hat's off to them for their efforts on trying to make these fields look better. So walking the field out here right now, you can see there's a lot of patchy areas, but I've been able to identify so far some St. Augustine, some Kentucky blue, a little bit of rye and fescue. Like, look at this patch right here. I can't wait to see how well this fills in. This is just behind second base, all the way over to shortstop towards left center. Just look at how dry that is. When I came out here weeks ago, I can tell you that it's improved a little bit. The guys came out here and scalped and mowed. They've really been putting forth a lot of effort out here. Okay, so as you see them spraying behind me, it's kind of a cool little setup they got there. It's a 50-gallon tank with a spray gun on it. And I'll try and find out some of the specifications and the nomenclature on the equipment that they have. It's pretty old and they said they've had to fix it a few times, so hopefully I'll be able to leave some information in the description of what they're actually using to spray out here. But it's a pretty neat little system. It's definitely tiring because they have to spray that big brass wand, and it does put out a pretty big swath, so it allows them to move pretty quickly as well. So my hat's off to these guys. You know that they're busting their butt out here today to make these fields look better for these kids, and that's what it's about. It's about the kids. So I commend them for coming out here on their day off and doing this for the kids, trying to get these fields looking better for them and for everyone else who uses them when the school season's not in session. As you see in this video, there were some major color improvements as well as visual growth in the patchy spots. Neither one of these fields are 100% fixed for the issues that we had, but there's a strong foundation that has been laid down for future, and this fields can recover in due time. The biostimulant packs from the Greene County Fertilizer's N-Ext line of products clearly made a visual difference that resulted from using the Aerate, Humic 12, the RGS, and the micronutrients. For more information about the N-Ext line of products, visit the link below or the link on the screen. Me personally, I use the biostimulants as a staple for my own lawn program. The results seen here just after one application of the biostimulant pack on both these fields speaks highly of the Greene County Fertilizer's N-Ext Biostimulant pack and the effectiveness of these products. I'll leave links down below in the descriptions where you can purchase and try out the biostimulant packs for yourself from the Greene County Fertilizer's N-Ext product line. Be safe, and we'll see you in the next one.